What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to block adult websites on your or your child's iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. It's increasingly important to ensure that browsing experiences on devices like your iPhone are safer for all users, especially for children. Whether it's your device or a child's, blocking access to adult websites can help create a safer online environment. The first step is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once there, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't already set up Screen Time, you need to do so now. It involves setting up a passcode that will be required to change Screen Time settings, ensuring that any restrictions you apply cannot be easily bypassed. After setting up Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. You might need to enable these restrictions by toggling the switch at the top if it's not already on. Then select Content Restrictions. Wait for it to load, as it will take some time to properly show up. Once inside the Content Restrictions menu, scroll down until you find the Web Content section. Tap on it to access the Web Content Restriction settings. Here, you have the option to limit adult websites. Selecting this option will automatically restrict access to many adult websites known to Apple's content filters. For more granular control, you can use the Always Allow and Never Allow sections. If there's a specific website you want to ensure is always accessible, you can add it to the Always Allow list. Otherwise, if there's a particular site not automatically blocked by the Limit Adult Websites filter, or if you want to make sure it's blocked, you can add it to the Never Allow list. This feature is particularly useful for preventing access to not just adult content, but also websites related to gambling, gaming, or any other category you deem inappropriate. Remember, the effectiveness of those settings depends on the screen time passcode remaining secure. If the passcode is known to others, they might disable these restrictions. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.